I made cheese grits, then topped them off with spicy shrimp, and it's my current favorite dish at the moment. Let's make it. Add 2 cups of chicken stock, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Bring it to a boil, then add 1 cup of grits, not instant grits, just regular grits. Whisk them for about a minute so they don't clump up. Cover them and reduce to medium-low. Cook for 16 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. If the grits become too thick, add a splash of water. I don't like them too thick and I don't like them too runny. I like them somewhere in between. I added half cup of heavy cream that's going to help loosen them up, make them extra rich. I added 1 cup of cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. You can add whatever cheese you want. Gave them a stir. And if this is too thick for you, add more heavy cream or milk. Season generously with salt and pepper, and keep in mind that the longer they sit, the thicker they will become. So make sure you serve them immediately. I added some butter, and then I cooked the shrimp. I added about 2 tablespoons of oil to a skillet, added the raw shrimp, seasoned the shrimp with salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, some butter, fresh garlic, and parsley. I cooked the shrimp for about 1 minute, added a little bit of lemon juice. It adds good flavor. And that was pretty much it. I served the cheese grits, then topped it off with the shrimp along with all of the juices in the pan, and it was incredible. Enjoy!